Hello guys, my name is Anna. I hope you can hear me well. I'm very excited to introduce this new feature to you. We really do hope that you are able to automate most of the stuff with SimplyBook as much as is possible. But we also understand how important it is to make sure that your business is growing constantly and your marketing game is top-notch. I'll show you a quick overview. So to start out, you can access this integration from the SimplyBook admin interface. We've added a separate menu for it. You just need to click on Social and Ads. Okay, so when you get here, you will see a menu with different socials that you can connect. We've actually already connected our own socials. So you can see it's already looking very busy, and then the numbers are real and true. These are our own accounts. I'd actually like to start the overview with this upper menu. So we'll start with the planning section. This is pretty much your content calendar within our booking system. So you can actually schedule all of your posts without even leaving SimplyBook. I'm gonna click on the best times to select the best time for the platform that I want to post for. And you can also select it to even show percentages. Here are a few posts that we've added. So I'll just show you them as a brief overview. As you can see, you have a live preview. So the moment you change anything, the image or the video, it's going to show you a live preview for the TikTok as well. And you can also use help of the AI assistant. You can also use a help of the AI assistant to help you generate smart hashtags to make sure that your post is well tracked. And you can, again, select the time if you need to change it here. Okay. Now, so again, you will see this calendar, so you can see all of your posts scheduled for the rest of the year. Oh, and one more moment, you don't have to schedule them right away. You can actually save them as drafts as well. Right. Now we'll move on to the next section, which is ads. This is where you will manage your Google campaigns, AdWords, keywords, etc., their performance without, again, even having to leave your booking system. I'll show you a quick just preview. This is creation of the Google campaign. It was, again, within SimplyBook without having to leave it. Sorry, I was trying to move the camera not to be in the way. So it looks very similar to how the regular Google campaign is created. You can create campaigns with a display as well as search objective. So you're gonna pass a few steps just so you can see the process. Okay. Location selection, selecting an audience, for example, fitness classes, yoga, female, Italian, great, you made for Italy. I'm gonna do fitness here, so fitness classes and personal training sessions. I have the keywords pre-uploaded. I can write my own. And then I will not complete the rest, but this is for you just to have an idea. You'll get to the budget, etc. Okay. Again, you can see the performance of all of your campaigns here, so no need now to go and log into a separate platform. Now, we'll move on to the analytics section. This is just my task booking page, so I'm going to click on one of the socials. You can see that it's pretty packed with, especially the Facebook and Instagram, TikTok, it's pretty packed with stats, so I won't be able to cover them on this recording. But how we can see you using it practically within a booking system, for instance, you've created a new campaign, which is a bundle of bookings that you set at a discounted price with our packages feature. And you've introduced it, you start promoting it, and you see the sales start coming through, but you're not sure where you're actually getting the most clicks and where the most of the customers are coming from. So you can come back here, check how the campaign for this package is doing across different socials, so that next time you post a new campaign, maybe it's going to be a Black Friday campaign, which is more important, you can select the optimal channel for promoting it from the get-go, based on the experience and based on the stats you've seen here. Okay. Now next quickly is inbox. I won't be clicking there just because we've connected our own accounts, just for the sake of our clients' private information and private data. However, this is, I'll try to tell you briefly, this is where you can message back and forth with your followers, with your clients on your social medias. Now, again, you don't need to be logged into different accounts and keep a lot of tabs. All of this is within SimplyBook. The way I could see you using it, for example, you you got some hot lead in your DMs, in your messages, and before you pre-created a coupon code that you want to use for this promo event that you'll have soon. So you go to the main menu, manage coupons, you copy the coupon, you go to the inbox, and you send it to client. So again, always in just one browser tab. And yeah, I think that would be it. So lastly, I'll just go to the smart links very briefly. They work exactly as you would imagine from the name. These are clickable buttons and links. You can track their performance here, etc. You can use them for different campaigns. Okay, I think this would be it for me, just because we need to keep it pretty short. Thank you so much for attention.
If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as follow our social media pages below. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.